Why do 90% of traders lose money while the top 1% quietly build generational wealth? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we're breaking down the psychological shift you need to make to stop chasing green candles and start building a real portfolio. I'm going to show you exactly how to think like an investor so you can stop stressing over every 1% dip and start scaling your wealth in 2026. Whether you're exploring the TX ecosystem or diving into deep DeFi strategies, the mental framework is the same for every successful whale. Trading versus investing, the timeline gap. Most people enter crypto thinking they're investors, but they're actually just gambling on short-term volatility. A trader asks, "What will the price be tomorrow?" An investor asks, "What value will this project provide in 5 years?" To think like an investor, you have to move your horizon from days to decades. When you zoom out, the noise of the daily chart disappears and the actual trend of adoption emerges. The power of asymmetric risk. The top 1% don't bet the farm on one coin. They look for asymmetric risk. This means looking for opportunities where the potential upside is 10x or 100x, but the downside is limited and manageable. This is why we analyze the TX ecosystem so closely, looking for fundamental utility that the market hasn't priced in yet. If you want more deep dives into these fundamentals, check out the resources over at coherencedaddy.com. Emotional detachment and the DeFi mindset. The biggest enemy of an investor isn't the market, it's their own emotions. Fear and greed drive traders to buy the top and sell the bottom. True investors use a system, like dollar cost averaging, to remove emotion from the equation. In the world of DeFi, the goal isn't to time the market, but to time your time in the market. Building your wealth engine. To actually think like an investor, you need a diversified core and a speculative satellite. Your core should be in proven assets, while your satellite allows you to explore emerging tech and new tokens. Stay educated, stay patient, and stop checking your portfolio every 10 minutes. Wealth is built in the waiting, not in the trading. Shift your timeline from days to years. Seek asymmetric risk over gambling. Remove emotion by using a systematic approach to DeFi. The difference between a broke trader and a wealthy investor is simply a change in perspective. Change how you think and you change your results. If you're ready to level up your financial game, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if this mental shift helped you today. Comment investor below if you're committing to a long-term strategy in 2026.